In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit email signatures in Microsoft Outlook. A polished signature makes every message look professional and gives recipients quick access to the details you want them to have, all without retyping them each time. Start by signing in to your Outlook account. If you're already in, great. Look to the upper right corner and click the Settings gear. This opens a panel with several options. Under the Accounts section, choose Signatures to open the place where you create and manage everything related to your email signatures. If you don't immediately see it, use the search bar in Settings and type Signature to jump straight there. Before adding content, give your signature a clear name. Naming it something like business or personal helps a lot if you plan to keep different versions for different situations. A good name makes it easy to switch later without guessing which one is which. Now add the content you want to appear at the end of your messages. Most people include their name, job title, and a way to reach them, along with a website or a short tagline. If you use a company logo, you can place it here too. Don't worry about making everything perfect on the first try. You can come back and edit at any time. This is also where you can format the look and feel. Adjust the font style, size, and color so it matches your personal preference or brand guidelines. Keep readability front and center. Pick a simple font, make sure the contrast works in both light and dark modes, and avoid too many colors or long blocks of text. Think of your signature as a quick snapshot, not a full biography. Outlook also lets you insert links and images. Use the insert options to add clickable links to your website or social profiles, and consider using descriptive text like visit our site instead of pasting full URLs. If you include an image, keep the file small so emails load fast and add alternative text for accessibility. When you're happy with the design, click Save to apply your changes. Your new signature is now ready to use. You can also set which signature appears by default for new messages, replies, and forwards. This optional step saves time and keeps your emails consistent across day-to-day conversations. And that's it. Your personalized Outlook signature is ready. Update it whenever your information changes so it always stays accurate. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials.